Hey guys, today is a really fun mail day today. I got one of my most favorite subscription boxes in the mail today. So I'm really excited to open this box, and I have the feeling that it's going to be something very, very summery themed. Very excited about that, and I'm going to open it with you here so that you can see everything that is inside this box for Creative Notions. Hi, I'm Kristen with IcyStarsQuilting.com. I share my tips, tricks, and tutorials for all things modern quilting, crafting, being creative, having fun while doing that. If that is something that you are interested in and you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and also make sure that you hit the subscribe button down there so you don't miss anything new coming out, because I share videos every single week. Okay, let's get into what is in this Creative Notions subscription box. But they send it in a reusable gift bag. How cute are these bags? These bags I reuse all the time. So this bag is like, it's full, okay? And I'm very excited to see what's in here. So the total value for this bag this month is $84.25. So you're getting a ton of stuff in this bag. You get 8 back quarters. You know what? Let me just show you what we get, okay? Here is the fabric. Look how cute that is. So see, we have some poppy fabric here. We have some nice little checkered fabric. More little gingham. This one has bicycles on it. I really like this line of fabric. Flower baskets, not fabric baskets, flower baskets. Some cute little printed words right there. And then we have some coordinating fabric with like polka dots. Some, what are those, zinnias, I think? They're those zinnias. Anybody who's out there who's like really, really big into gardening is probably gonna call me out on that one. It might be, I don't know. But my guess is gonna be zinnias. So something very, very happy, summer, bright. Let's see what the project is for this fabric. Now that's something with the Creative Notions box. If you're not familiar with Creative Notions, then let me tell you, okay? Creative Notions is a monthly subscription box. You get it in the mail every single month. You can join whenever you want. You can cancel whenever you want. What you get is a surprise every single month, okay? You don't know what you're getting, but you know that you're getting something really, really good, and you know that you're getting something at a discounted volume. Every single month you also get a project within this bag, okay? So there is a project that goes along with this fabric that has instructions, everything you need to know. Let's dig in more, okay? It's telling you all the products that you're gonna get in here. Sometimes you get happy little treats too, right? There's a little bit more fabric in here that I'm pulling out. Isn't that lovely? That'll go really pretty with that, and I'm sure it's in the pattern, which I'm gonna pull out right now. So what we have is a reversible table runner right here. Isn't that pattern lovely? Look at these fabrics. Do you recognize those fabrics? Yeah, she has the fabrics printed on this. So it makes it really, really easy to follow when you're making this project. It makes it super easy to follow. It has this, it also has very detailed instructions and color prints. Very, very nice. So you know exactly what you're doing with these. It makes it really, really simple and easy. And see, look how beautiful that is. Can you guys see how pretty that pattern is? That is a gorgeous, gorgeous table runner. Another thing that they sent this month are these zip bags. How handy are these? And they actually have the little holes punched out on the side. You probably can't see it, but they have little holes punched out on the side, so you can add that into your binder so you can keep up with like all the little tiny notions and like little extra threads and all of that come with a project. You can add this to your binder and make it really easy to find. This is fantastic. Here's another extra pattern. Here is the apple core quilt. Look how cute this quilt pattern is. Do you see this? Isn't that adorable? I love it so, so much. And I love the, here's another optional version of it. Okay, so you're getting the pattern, but you're also getting ideas along, like you could do it this way or you could do it this way, you know, whichever way you prefer. And this one right here has like a scalloped edge border. Doesn't that look really fun? I think that looks so much fun. To help you with the apple core quilt pattern, Look at this ruler. Do you see this apple core ruler? I don't have one of these. This is really fun. So Creative Notions has their own line of rulers that are really, really good, amazing rulers. We got a whole bunch of them last year in each box that we did. And now I think they've moved on to some really fun rulers, like different ones that you wouldn't normally, not just squares, you know, like really fun different ones. And I love this apple core pattern. Isn't that sweet? Now it has different options on the back as well, like how to sew the edges together, right? So you get a nice clean seam. One of the fun things that we got this month was a recipe that was submitted by one of the box subscribers to Creative Notions. And it is a recipe for chicken lasagna. Looks so yummy. I'm actually not really good at making my own lasagna. Last but not least, the tool that was included in this subscription box is this one right here. I am so excited about this little teeny tiny rotary cutter. I mean, it's itty bitty, and I bet it would be perfect to go and cut these little intricate like curves for the apple core ruler. So amazing pairing of products. I mean, amazing. So look how cute that is. It's also very ergonomic, so it has like the non-slippy stuff right there on the sides. I know I said it, but I really, really love this subscription box. It is one of my favorite ones to get in the mail, and it's one that I've been getting for a really, really long time. Amazing company, amazing quality products, fabrics, patterns, tools, utensils, notions, all of that stuff. It's always really fun to get. Now, Creative Notions also has tutorials and videos on their YouTube channel. I'm gonna stick a link down in the description box down below. Make sure you go check out their YouTube channel, subscribe. There's really, really good stuff on there, fun stuff. If you are interested in subscribing to this box, make sure that you check out the link that I put down below for that as well. You won't be sorry for subscribing to this box. It's a really, really fun one, okay? If you have any questions, please feel free to write them in the comment box down below. I hope that you have a wonderful day today. I'm Kristen with IcyStarsQuilting.com. I'll talk to you soon. Bye. Hey, I have more videos that are just like the one that you just watched me do this unboxing. I have more unboxing videos. I love getting them as a gift too. Just, you know, FYI. So if that's something you're interested in, make sure you check out the description box down below. Check out the playlist that I have to the side of this video as well. It has lots more unboxings, and it has other treasures that I found along the internet as well. I'm happy to do a review on them and check them out. Please let me know if there's something I should know about, okay? Have a great day. I'll talk to you soon.